Hello and welcome to the final day of British Science Week. Now today we're going to use science to make a bit of a sweet treat that you could keep for yourself or you could give as a gift to perhaps some of your neighbours undergoing social distancing. We're going to make some Crunchie Bars. Now to do this, you're going to need some caster sugar, some golden syrup, some butter in order to grease your tin, and the magic ingredient, you'll need some bicarbonate of soda. Now, if you're going to make it into a proper Crunchie Bar, you might choose to have some chocolate that you're going to melt over the top, but you certainly don't need that. So let's crack on and have a look at what we need to do. So, once you've broken it up, you'll be able to see that inside your honeycomb you've got lots of tiny little holes. And those are there because of the bicarbonate of soda. Now, bicarbonate of soda is just the name that we use for this chemical inside the kitchen. Its scientific name is sodium bicarbonate. And carbonates, or metal carbonates, undergo a process called thermal decomposition when we heat them up. So when we added our bicarbonate of soda to our hot sugar and golden syrup mixture, it caused the sodium bicarbonate to break down and to give off a gas called carbon dioxide. And so these bubbles were formed because of that gas. It works in a very similar way to bread rising using yeast or using baking powder when you're making cakes. You use the heat to generate the carbon dioxide, the gas, and that causes things to rise. So I hope that you've enjoyed some of the challenges over the last week or so, and that you, and hopefully your neighbours and the rest of your family, will enjoy your honeycomb. Dip it in a little bit of chocolate, and then enjoy. Delicious.